everybody, welcome back to Boom Bag of Minds. My name is Vikash and I hope you all are doing really great. Alright, let's begin the journey of time in a language. Verbs. We discussed in our last video about two verb forms, V1 and V2. V1 is always used for simple category. So wherever you see I do not know the answer, I did not call him, I will call you. These all three sentences belong to one category which is simple. Okay. How did I identify? First step, helping verb. I will call you. Will, future, call, V1. Future simple. I did not call you. Did, past, call, again V1, which means past simple. I do not call you. Again, do, present, call, and it is V1, present simple. Second verb form, which is V2. V2 is only and only used for one category, which is simple past. Now, a few things about V2. First thing, never has a helping verb. Second thing, V2 can never be used with a negative form. And the most important thing is that wherever you see a subject followed by a V2 form, it belongs to simple category. That is where we stop. Now let's continue with the other three verb forms so that we have complete command over tenses, especially time of a sentence. See, when you learn a language, we have already discussed and told you so many times, the most important thing is to identify the tenses through time. Okay. Let's say if somebody spoke, I had given you a book last week. I had given, had, past. But given here which verb form and which category of past? Past simple, past continuous, past perfect, or past perfect continuous? That's what we will discuss right now. So let's start. V3. V3 verb form can be used for all the three times. Past, present, or future. However, it depends for which category you want to use, because V3 can be used for two categories. First one, always and always for perfect. Let me give you an example. The same one with which we started the discussion. I had given you a book last week. I had. Now V2 and V3, you remember the difference, viewers? V2 no helping verb, V3 will have a helping verb. Given is the V3 form. V3 used for perfect in case if it follows has, have, had, or will have plus V3. So I had given you a book last week. Had, past, given V3. Past perfect. Very easy to identify. Let's check another example. She has never told me about you. She has. Let's remove this word never because this is this belongs to the category adverb. We'll discuss in our other videos about it. She had never. Okay. After that, check the main verb. Okay. That belongs to V3 category. Has plus V3, present perfect. Okay. They have known you for 5 years. Have, present, known, V3. So present perfect. That's how you identify through the verb forms the exact time of a sentence. Okay. V3, I hope it is clear. Let me just, I've already mentioned a list of formulas which will be utilized with different forms, so that my dear viewers, yes, you all, you can have a complete command over the time, so-called tenses, and it can only happen if you have control over your verbs. Remember, verbs means you need to have control over time. Now let's move to another category, which is V4. V4 is popularly known as ing form of the verb. Again, ing here means whatever verb form you can think, V1 plus ing, that becomes V4. Let's take an example like eat. If I add ing, it becomes eating. Eating is my V4. Know, knowing. Play, playing. Go, going. That's what our V4 form is. Now V4 form, it can be used with past, present, or future. V4 form can be used for two basic categories. First category is continuous form, either past continuous, present continuous, or future continuous. Second category that V4 is used for is perfect continuous. So past perfect continuous, present perfect continuous, like this. Okay, so let's take an example and understand it. Let's start with past continuous. Be it any subject, okay, singular or plural. With singular we will use was plus V4. With plural we will use were plus V4. If you have a negative form, was not plus V4, were not plus V4. I was going to the market on my motorcycle. Was going, was past, going V4, past continuous. Very easy to identify. See, understand, if you clear your basics, if you understand the foundation of the grammar, trust me, this language will become very easy. Do not run away from grammar. You may think it is very scary. Yes, it is, because it is about the rules, do's and don'ts for the language. But you don't have to go in so much detail like an English honors student. Okay, we will talk about the next category, which is for perfect continuous. Okay, we'll discuss about it in our next video. Till then, viewers, don't forget to put a smile on your face, because it adds beauty to your personality. That's what we aspire for at Boom Bag of Minds. Thank you for watching me, viewers. Love you all. Please subscribe. You all have a good time.